Hello guys, welcome to Daily Hacks channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how to use a ladder in a correct way. So basically the first thing is, first in Britain you have to be like license. You need a license to use this ladder. Mostly people will not know about it, but this is the law about the ladder in the UK. So if you are thinking to use a ladder, you need a license on a commercial basis. But the most of the people at home, they have a ladder at home, but if there any accident or any incident get happen, you will not be, you are the one who gonna be responsible. But if you are working in any of the type of environment where the proper company is, or you are employed of someone, so you will have to face those circumstances if you get fell from the ladder. So the first thing first, there are some safety aspects of the ladder. So the bottom step of the ladder is mostly get used, so you will need this step for to get climbed over the other steps. So in this type of the ladder, I would say on the right hand left side there is a thing which is actually supporting your ladder. So if you put your weight onto the step, it will hold the weight and will give you support by these two legs. So this is a support. If you just hold a upward side, it will start closing the ladder as well. So make sure whenever you get onto the ladder, you put it onto the full support. And the other thing is which is safety for you and to use a ladder, don't ever try to use the top step of the ladder and the bottom step of the ladder. So these two steps are the mostly concerned about. So the mostly people get fell down from the ladder while they've been using the top step and the bottom one step. So make sure if you're not reaching, try to get the another ladder, because this is not a good thing. You can fall down, the incident can be happen, you can harm yourself easily. So never ever use these two steps. So the rest of the steps can be used for climbing over the ladder. So as you can see, I'm climbing like this. So yeah, so this is it. So this is the most height of the ladder you can have. The other side, if you come onto this side, this is a support for your legs. So don't ever try to climb on this one like this, so you can easily fall down. Don't ever try to climb from this side or you will fall down easily. So protect yourself, because safety is first in every matter. So in this thing I'm using this ladder, so hope so my video will help you to regarding the using the ladder. It will help you a lot to save you and save lives as well, because I have seen so many incidents in UK that mostly people get fall down from the ladder and they lost their life as well. So make sure you use a ladder in a correct way, otherwise you will be in trouble. Hope you like my video. If you like it, subscribe my channel Daily Hacks. See you in the next video.